Hello children, good morning. All of you take your GK book, lesson 5. GK lesson 5, famous cities of India. All of you open your book, famous cities of India. So read the description and name the cities. Okay, here are given some description and you can find out name of cities. It is the capital of Maharashtra. The Gateway of India is a famous landmark of the city. It is also known as the business capital of India. So, what is this? Mumbai. What is the capital of Maharashtra? The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. All of you fill here in number 1, Mumbai. M-U-M-B-A-I. Mumbai. And write it number 1. Now next one is, it is the national capital of India. The Parliament House is the famous landmark of the city. The Red Fort, a historical monument, is located here. What is the national capital of India? New Delhi. Okay, so write here New Delhi. N-E-W-D-E-L-H-I. New Delhi. Now next, third. It is the capital of West Bengal. What is the capital of West Bengal? Yes, Kolkata. The Victoria Memorial is the famous landmark of the city. It is also known as the City of Joy. कोलकाता को सिटी ऑफ जॉय भी कहा जाता है. ये वेस्ट बंगाल की कैपिटल है. ओके, सो ऑल ऑफ यू राइट इन देयर 3. Kolkata, C-O-L-K-A-T-A, Kolkata. Next, 4. It is the capital of Tamil Nadu. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Yes, Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. The Chennai Central Railway Station is the famous landmark of this city. It is also known as automobiles capital of India. So it is called Chennai. C-H-E-N-N-A-I. Chennai. Now next one is number 5. It is the capital of Karnataka. The Vidhana Soda is the famous landmark. Vidhan Sabha. The Vidhan Sabha is the famous landmark of the city. It is also known as Garden City of India. Okay, Garden City of India, Bangalore. Bangalore. It is the capital of Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. So right here number 5. Bangalore. B-E-N-G-A-L-U-R-U. Bangalore. Now next one is 6. It is the capital of Gujarat. Gandhinagar. Yes, Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. The Swaminarayana Akshardham temple is the famous landmark of this city. Okay, 6th one is Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Now next one is, it is the capital of Meghalaya. The Cathedral of Mary Help of Christian is a famous landmark of this city. It is also known as the Second capital of the east. Yes, it is Shillong. Shillong. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Shillong. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Now next 8. It is the capital of Telangana. The Charminar is the famous landmark of this city. Where is Charminar? Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Yes. So right here in number 8, Hyderabad. 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 Next 9. It is the capital of Kerala. All of you know what is the capital of Kerala? Yes, Thiruvananthapuram. The Sri Padmanabharam temple is The Sri Padmanabhavasya temple is famous landmark of this city. It is also known as the evergreen city of India, Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, so all of you write here Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, so lesson 5 is completed. Once again I am telling you. First one is Mumbai, second one is New Delhi, third one is Kolkata, fourth one is Chennai, fifth one is Bangalore, 6 Gandhinagar, 7 Shillong, 8 Hyderabad, and 9 Thiruvananthapuram. All of you see and write. Now next lesson is lesson 6. All of you open your book, lesson 6. Lesson 6. See in your book, our sense organs. Lesson 6. Our sense organs. Our sense organs. Okay. So all of you see in your book, parts of our body that help us to know the world around us are called sense organs. Parts of our body that help us to know the world around us are called sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. Eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin. We have 5 sense organs. All of you know? Okay. See, which sense organs would you use in the following situations? Okay. All of you. Number 1, to see an aeroplane flying. To see an aeroplane flying. Which sense organs we can use? Eyes. EYES. Now next, to taste a chocolate. Tongue. Yes. Tongue. 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 Next, to listen to the song. To listen to the song with our ear. Yes. Ears. Next, 4, to smell a flower with our nose. To smell a flower, nose. Number 1 eyes, number 2 tongue, number 3 ears, number 4 nose, number 5 skins. Now next one is fill in this column, all these 5 column like this. In your book you have 5 column in there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first column you can write here to see. आप अपनी आंखों से क्या क्या देख सकते हैं वो 4 इधर से सेलेक्ट करके इसी कॉलम में लिखना है. टू सी shining, SHINY, shining. Next beautiful, beautiful, red and small. यहाँ ऊपर जो कॉलम दिए हैं इसमें से सेलेक्ट करके इधर लिखना है टू सी. नाउ टू स्मेल, order, next stinky, stinky, fragrant, 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 smoke, to smell, smoke. Okay, next to hear, thunder, THUNDER. What you can hear? Chopping, CHIRPING, chopping. Next laughing, LAUGHING, laughing. Music, MUSIC. To hear, thunder, chopping, laughing and music. Now to taste, sure, SOUR, bitter, BITTER, bitter. Sweet, SWEET, salty, SALTY, salty. Now to feel, soft, 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 hard, 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 hot, 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 cold, COLD, cold. Now see, to smell, to see, to smell, to hear, to taste and to feel. So all of you fill in your book. Now lesson 6 is also completed. In our next video we are learning lesson 7. Okay, so for today this one is enough. All of you fill in your book. Okay, thank you and bye.